go to breakfast. Shayo.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please just take a minute, subscribe so that you join the Real with Mo family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate the support. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I do popcorns at home. So without wasting time, let's get into it. I start by heating the cooking oil. Then I put some corn inside so that when they start popping, I'll know that the oil is ready. I've already put the corn inside. I hope you can see and hear them popping. So the popcorn is ready. I'll now do the sauce for the popcorn. I'll be doing a caramel sauce, but since I don't have butter, I'm using margarine. So I'm putting some sugar in the spharia. Then I add a little water. I'll not stir it, I'll just let it boil, because if I stir, it will be tough when it cools down and it will not come out nicely when I mix it with the popcorn. So yeah, after it's ready, I'll just put it down, remove it from the fire. Then I'm now putting margarine. I'll stir the margarine until it dissolves. Yeah, the way I'm doing. I'll just stir until all the margarine is dissolved. It's time now to mix it with the popcorns. It has cooled down, so I'm pouring it in the popcorns, then the whole of it. Then I have to stir so that the sauce can mix well with the popcorns. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. Jesus, you love me too much, too much, excess love. I've mixed it well now, so I normally put them in some container with a lid, so that when I feel like I need to eat some, I just take the little I need. Yeah, so here they are. Thank you so much for watching till the end. You can also try and do this instead of buying popcorns.